In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily install WordPress step by step using Hostinger. If you're new to website creation or simply looking for an effortless guide to get your WordPress site up and running, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have WordPress installed and ready to go without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First, what you're going to do is head over to the Hostinger website. This is where everything starts. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, you'll want to navigate to the next step, which involves accessing your account settings. If you haven't logged in already, make sure to do so with your credentials. Now, let's move on to clicking on the Websites tab. This part is crucial because it's where you can manage your existing sites or even create new ones. The interface here is designed to be user-friendly, so you should feel right at home as you explore your options. Next, locate and click on the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the control center for your site. Here you can oversee all the overarching settings and tools you need to manage your website. It's designed to be intuitive, guiding you through each step seamlessly. Remember that being familiar with this area will benefit you greatly as you continue managing your WordPress site. After finding yourself in the dashboard, the next move is to click on Website. This takes you into the finer details of your current project. The interface may offer various tools and statistics, but for this tutorial, our main focus will be on getting WordPress installed efficiently. One of the standout features of Hostinger is the Auto Installer. On the left side of your screen in the Website Management section, you'll see the Auto Installer option. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. The Auto Installer allows you to install various applications, including WordPress, with just a single click. Once you've clicked on Auto Installer, a list of available applications appears. Locate WordPress among the options. You'll be pleased to see that Hostinger provides an excellent setup process tailored specifically for WordPress. After selecting WordPress, you'll need to fill out some basic details for your site, such as the site title, administrative username, and password. Be sure to choose a strong password to keep your site secure. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on the Install button. Hostinger will now work its magic, and within moments, WordPress will be fully installed on your site. With that, you're all set to start customizing your brand new WordPress site. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, a portfolio, or an online store, this installation process covers the essentials, leaving you ready to dive into the creative aspects of building your online presence. Enjoy creating your site, and thanks for watching.